Hello everyone, good evening. Today we are diving into something that powers every modern tech company is known as data paradigms, exploring data paradigms. So, whether you are a student or an aspiring data scientist, this video will give you a complete and clear understanding how data is handled and how in the digital world. Introduction to data paradigms. A data paradigm is simply a framework or approach that guides how we organize or analyze and interpret the data. Think, think of it as a lens through which we view and work with the data. These paradigms shape how we build databases, train AI models, or even store information in the cloud. Importance of modern data processing. Why we use data processing and why it is important for us. In the world of data science, tech paradigms are the foundations. They influence how we is known as in different ways it can influence us by taking decisions or building apps and even drive innovation. For example, companies like Amazon, Netflix rely on different data paradigms for recommendations on based on the customer insights and operations. And coming to the evaluation of data paradigms, there are different types of data paradigms that we evaluate on different bases, like traditional databases, key milestones, and enhanced capabilities. Traditional databases means the database which we are used from relational database to modern NoSQL systems. Key milestones are advent of big data and machine learning. Enhanced capabilities are significantly shaped and contemporary paradigms and analytical tools. And coming to that, there are different types of data paradigms. In data paradigms concept, there are three types of data paradigms. First one is structured data and the unstructured data and semi-structured data. Structured data, it is used to it is things spreadsheets or SQL database, neat rows and columns. It is used in financial systems or CRM software, ERP systems. The second type is unstructured data. Unstructured means it is lacks the predefined format and complex to collect and analyze. Examples of unstructured data, text, images, videos. It has no clear structure. So that's why it is known as unstructured data, which is found in social media, email contents, or videos, or etc. And third one is semi-structured data. Semi-structured data contains both structured and unstructured elements. It is the formats like XML or JSON are used in APIs or web services. Next topic is big data paradigm. Big data paradigm is the huge shift which we handle data. It focuses on four key axes that's called as four V's. The four V's are known as volume, variety, velocity, and veracity. Volume is used to massive amount of data. It needs to understand the volume. Velocity, speed at which the data is generated. Variety, different types like text, audio, logs, videos, etc. Variacity, it is used to ensure that data is reliable. Big data is used to understand consumer behavior, track trends, and improve the business strategies. Next one is NoSQL databases. Traditional databases use rows and columns, but what if you want to store tweets? Or user profiles, or even a network of friends. That's where NoSQL comes. It is the flexible and designed for unstructured or semi-structured data. There are four types of NoSQL databases: key value stores, document stores, column family stores, and graph databases. Key value stores mean it is like a dictionary. Document stores is example MongoDB. Column family stores means like Cassandra. Graph databases means like NG, NEO, 4G, 4G for relationships. And next coming to the cloud paradigm. Now the data is huge. We can't store it on just one computer. So that's why we need the cloud. Cloud paradigms is helps to store and manage data on platforms like AWS3, Google Cloud, or Azure. The benefits that include flexibility, easy scheduling, or easy scaling, and high availability. But we also need to secure the data through the encryption and compilance. And then coming to the next one, AI and machine learning integration used in paradigms. AI and ML are changing everything. They don't need just stored data. They learn from it. AI automates the task like cleaning and categorizing the data. ML finds the ML finds patterns like predicting what move you will watch next or detecting the fraud in real time. Together they allow the real time analysis and smarter decision making. Coming to the next topic is data privacy and ethics. There are three types: importance of data privacy, ethical considerations, and regulatory frameworks. But with great power comes great responsibilities. Handling data means respecting privacy and ethics. Privacy means it is used to protect the user data. Ethics, ensuring the fairness and transparency. Regulations like GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California set the clear rules on how we can use the data. The rise of data lakes. Data lakes has three concepts. Concepts of data lakes and advantages implementation. A data lake is like a massive pool where all the data is dumped, structured, unstructured, or raw, or anything, everything. The data, the whole data types are dumped. Advantages of these data lakes: easy to scale, real time experience, flexibility in storing data, diverse in the different data types. But you need good governance and planning to make sure it doesn't become a data swamp. Finally, coming to the conclusion. So, to wrap up, data paradigms guide how we handle the data. From structured database to AI driven systems, each paradigm has its own rule. Knowing them is very crucial, whether you are building apps or analyzing user behavior or creating smarter systems. Thank you.